Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or adjust how many lines to scroll each time you're scrolling on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or a traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the devices tile, and then on the left side select mouse and directing our attention over to the right where it says choose how many lines to scroll each time. You can drag it to the right if you want to do more or less depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.